really like to know about your college memories because our most half of our college has been like we have been staying at home, and the last year, especially for the third years, the current third years, we have been at home. We have not done anything except attending virtual classes. So we would really like to know your college memories. So who would start with it?
I think I would like Ritika also to speak simultaneously because I share most my memories with her, Archana ma'am, Prabhati ma'am, and Sarvishta ma'am.
Parmishta ma'am.
Yes, we
I think our college memories is, oh, there is so much to
so
say.
much. That's
I
what I'm
don't know
saying.
where do we start.
Pick
And
and say this particular thing that we miss the most would be, it wouldn't do justice to the whole lot of fun
lot
we
of things, yeah.
lot of things,
I mean,
emotions, fun, and
just just the physical structures. If you're talking about physical structures, the oddie steps, the journalism wing classes, the canteen ka Maggie and cupcakes.
yeah.
We
I
used to
think
have.
I don't know if it is still there, ma'am. Whenever we used to hop on early in the college, no, we would always, like in the winter specifically, we would go to Nescafe and buy ourselves those soup things and we would sit, enjoy the breeze, and then go for the class. I mean, I miss everything. Even 15 minutes ke break, maybe we would just go run out and canteen se grab a samosa, maybe, it's so
समोसा, those juice boxes, हमारे एक staple juice boxes बने हुए थे.
I think Jyotiri mentioned about mithas. What was
yes.
that? What was that?
Oh my god,
What was
it's
that?
being talked about like some ancient building.
It's
Mithas was a
Mithai used to be
restaurant.
the only food joint that was there at that point of time. Now I think we have these other places. I think Diggin has come up, and I think the other shake joint Keventus is also there now.
Yes,
But
yes.
हमारे time पे I think it was the only Mithas was the only food joint that was there, and even when we had like an hour's break or something like that, we would go there, have pizzas, grilled sandwiches,
We
and
would have our chow means and Manchurian was our like, staple thing. But yeah, that was the only food joint for us outside of college.
yes, yes.
So we have a lot of options now for us.
You
Like
do.
how
You
yes,
sure do.
You
I
have
think
a
we are
lot.
lucky in that case. But then
Yeah.
you people had done all your third like 3 years of college in college, but we are doing one
Yeah.
year in the virtual life, so that's a drawback for us.
That's actually you've missed out on quite a lot because
Exactly.
those going to the college, that whole fun, that sitting in the classroom. So it's all thanks to ma'am because if we had not been taught by them and the way they made us
Taught
understand
us.
concepts and everything, it is touchwood, it is still with us. I mean, we really go back to our bachelor's and graduation, undergrad, if you want to learn about
I
it.
remember one of Archana ma'am's strategies when I was caught in the class that she used when she taught. So while she was teaching, she would teach something the concept the other way around to catch if we're just nodding our head or we're actually.
Yes.
So I think I've been caught quite a number of times. Archana ma'am, I still do that in my classroom. So it's taking and I laugh at myself for getting caught during my times, and then this is I did not have the audacity to sit in front after that.
I think this is what ma'am does with all of us as well. Still
Yeah.
now, ma'am does with us for
Yeah.
sure.
Ma'am, you remember all the movies you've been called.
Like to say, Garimadi is visible on my screen.
Hmm. Okay,
And
there's a lot to talk about, but I'll start with Reena Mandal ma'am. That is the like when we started first year, she was like amazing woman I have ever seen. Like when she used to give lectures with such anecdotes in it from her own experiences, and I used to be very scared at first. It's like, oh God, I missed her class. What she's gonna do next in my next class? So that was something like
Remember, ma'am would say Rani. She would refer to us as Rani. Rani,
yeah.
Yes, I really miss.
There was one more we used to use more very often. That was like tan dole man dole. I was like, okay.
She told us that.
Right, right.
That was her way of keeping us in check. In 10 years down the line, just 10 years of our teaching, there has been so much of change. मतलब अभी तो छोड़ ही दो, मतलब बस आ जाओ तुम लोग क्लास में, यही हम बोलते हैं.
So, do you people want to know the experiences of the current students, like all the ex-students who have passed out? Do you people want to know the current students' experiences or how they feel about college and how what are the changes that has happened? Do you want to know some of them?
Yes. Let's hear from the present batch, the experience. And
Can
we'll
we
go back. We'll go backward till the first batch.
can we start with all the present batches? Okay,
Ananya.
Ananya.
Ananya is in the second year. Let's ask someone from the third year. Who's
Third
from the
year?
third year, Aranya?
Ma'am, okay, in Ma'am Vidushi is here. Vidushi.
Yes, Sushi.
Hello everybody. So
Yes.
I think हमारा एक्सपीरियंस तो घर पर ही थोड़ा हो गया है एंड मैं सुन के मैम का कि क्या करे तो हमें लग रहा है कि हम कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं क्लासेस में so our college experience is also very fun and I personally believe that because मेरे को starting से बोला गया था कि कॉलेज में ना टीचर्स ध्यान नहीं देते मतलब आपको जो करना है एंड देन आवर टीचर इज लिटरली आई कैन रिलेट टू लाइक मतलब अपने स्कूल के टीचर्स की बहुत ध्यान देते हैं कि क्लास में नहीं आ रहे तो लिटरली 3-4 दिन बाद सीआर से कॉल आ जाएगा कि क्लास में क्यों नहीं आ रहे so that is a good part about the कि हाँ ध्यान देते हैं so we study like
College experiences you'll always remember. I mean, these are memories that you will always have with yourself.
Ma'am, we are hoping we don't have our farewell online. We really don't want.
Acha, if you want to have your farewell offline, then your exams will be also offline. Remember that.
Ma'am, only one day.
I think that's the price we have to pay so
Good.
at least you can tell us we will all come at least our department will come happily
So sweet.
Okay, so should we move on to the next game? Are you all ready?
Yes, Aranya.
So
Yes.
teachers, we would request you people also to join in this game because since we have been in this virtual world and we have been using WhatsApp way too much, we are accustomed with all the emojis and everything. So I think we all will be able to guess. It's visible. So we can
Okay.
start.
so first slide
Chopal. Sakshi D has written ground.
should I move to the next one
Yeah.
What is the correct answer? Vidushi, tell us the correct answer.
It's
as well.
Chopal. It's
It's
Chopal.
Chopal.
You
Okay.
find squirrel there all the time. So yeah.
Got it, got it.
Fest. I've written fest.
Jyoti D and Anindita D has written fest. Ritika D has also written fest.
Guys, it's a place. College में जगह का नाम है. Event का नहीं है. So yeah.
It's a grammar.
The moment we saw that merry-go-round, I think Jyoti and I to be
Yeah.
best. Should I move to the next one?
यहाँ पे कभी गए थे क्या? We spent a lot of time.
We used to have a whole ritual where we used to go and read the newspaper.
Yeah, remember?
Very good.
Yeah.
Also, by the third year, we started to be more frequent because
Yeah. We started figuring out how to issue books from the library.
loved it. You can move to the next slide, Vidushi.
This one is very easy.
Oh. Sociology.
Okay, since everybody knows the sociology room, does anyone of you know which is the tute room? Anybody of you remember the tute room, the number?
L208. It was 106, na? I don't think.
It was the 106 for you people
Hmm.
in your time. Okay. Yes, Vidushi, next slide, please.
Gym? What gym is this?
There was. We just just had one. No, Ritika, did we have the gym back then?
No, we. That's what I'm saying. What? Where
No,
is it?
there was gym. Like in my time, there was like.
Where was it? Like, I
Where
mean,
was it? Yeah, we never went there.
Beside the
where was
music
it
room.
located?
Beside the music room in front of the union.
There has always been a gym, girls.
Yeah.
Ritika, were we not in KNC?
I don't know. 3 years we didn't go to a gym. We didn't even know it existed. Oh, it's a next wala bhi ho gaya. Okay.
This means you were not fitness conscious in KNC.
We've been one of those petite girls always.
And also from the fact that we used to go to Mithas in our every break. So no.
I don't think it was there. Any other thing.
Parking lot. Which has an ATM. Okay.
Yeah, which is an ATM, like a bus ATM. It's a roaming.
You had the bank room.
Oh.
You had the bank
Yes,
room.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, we had the bank room.
We would deposit our fees there. Yes.
Yes.
So, ma'am, are you telling me the bank room has now been replaced into an ATM now?
No, it's there. They come once in a while, but
बनाते हो वो ये कैसे
There is a
बनाते हैं
separate
मतलब
ATM
आप
brand and
आप कई जगह ब्रांड्स का नाम लिखा है कई जगह लिखा ही नहीं है अपनी मर्जी चला रहे हो
What?
Fiduci.
Next, should I move to the next?
the favorite.
Una, ma'am, are you here? Ma'am, before we move on to the next slide, we would really, share something. Yesterday, when this was being played and we were having a trial thing, when this slide was being played, the one answer which came out spontaneously was ethnographic filmmaking. When the slide was played,
Oh God!
it
The
said
course.
ethnographic filmmaking when it is journal lab, like the journalism block. And we all said ethnographic filmmaking, the third years, the current third years.
I understand.
Vidushi, next slide, please. We got the answer. That's it. Okay, anybody made excuses to go to the medical room and just rest while missing out on lecture? Did anybody? Like we did not. It's not on us. We're just asking. Did you guys do it?
I mean, but does that happen?
Ma'am, it does. Ma'am, it does happen. Yes. That's all, Vidushi? Yes. I think in that one of the slide there was a canteen picture, like for the canteen, emojis for the canteen. Anybody remember which is your staple meal from the canteen or your favorite meal you would like to share with us? I think one of you said samosas or something. Samosas and then juice. I think it was Ritika Di who said samosas and juice. है ना? Anybody else? जिनको याद है कि आपको क्या पसंद होता था?
We would have
canteen से?
Maggie also. Maggie.
Maggie from the Nescafe or from
Vaishnavi Ji is saying naan and paneer. Anandita Didi is saying chicken party.
कहाँ
Yeah.
से आपको मिलता
It's in the chat box. It's in the chat
हमें
box.
क्यों नहीं मिलता है चिकन पैटी फ्रैपे ये सब आपको कहाँ से मिलता है हाँ okay so since we started the game,
what Nescafe?
we don't
The
have
old
Nescafe
chicken,
anymore.
the old
You know-
canteen guy is back.
Ma'am, is it?
Yes. Back.
Ma'am, we want to go to college now.
When are we getting back?
No, Anika Di is saying momos. Which one? The one person who is outside the canteen? Like the
Yeah,
one person
Varman. No, the whole tender is gone back to the
Oh,
old guy.
I used to
Varman.
eat
Yeah.
so often that he used to give me extra momos in the end of the day कि सब तुम खा लो बस ले लो.
So you would be waiting till the end of the day.
Yes,
Get
we
your
had
treat.
one class at 5 o'clock and he used to give me all the momos. Even the one he gave me uncooked momos.
Now
घर
we
में
know,
खा-
Leonika, why were you missing in late classes?
Acha, remember Ritika, we had that bhel wale bhaiya outside the
Outside.
do we still? Does he still?
we do.
Yes, we
Yeah,
have
Wow.
We
Something
still
still
have-
remain constant.
Yeah, we still have that. Okay, since we stopped the open mic, can we have more seniors to talk about their memories? Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, Saranya, actually, I have to leave. So I just wanted to wish all of you a great future ahead. All right. And just a few words before I leave. Uh, that during your college times, we often used to tell you that, you know, in these 3 years, you are in the very, safe zone, which is free from anxiety, which is free from any kind of stress. And outside, there is a competitive world. And I am sure most of our students, who have passed out, they must have realized this, facing competition and facing various types of anxieties of life, either in personal life or related to career. All right. So, all I want to say is that, you know, face everything with positivity, believe in yourself, and there are always two plans of life. One is the one which we make for our life, one is which life makes for us. So live life with open mind. Okay, don't have a very narrow view towards life. Okay, which I had for a very long time in my life. I lived my life with a very narrow view, which I don't want my students to live. So you try your best that your first plan works, the plan that you have made for your life. Give your best. But in case if despite your best efforts it doesn't work, then humbly and gracefully accept the plan which life has made for you. All right. So, on that note, I just wish you all the best. All right. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you so
sir.
much,
Thank you
sir.
so
Thank you
much.
so much, sir, for all your lovely words. Thank you. Okay, I think Vishaka Di has, put in something in the chat box. So, Vishaka Di, is your mic working now?
Hi, yes, yes. Hi, everyone. It is now.
Hi. Can you tell us some of your experiences, some of your memories in college?
If you talk about my memories in college, I think I have written them down for the sociology page also. When you first enter college, I don't think like there is this feeling you get like sab theek hoga, you always feel like कि सब गलत होएगा. But I think all of my friends and teachers, like everyone, like right from Archana ma'am, Shamishta ma'am, everyone, I think Ritu ma'am, I think everyone has given us this comfort zone, which I think made us believe that okay chalo ghar hi hai, like let's work here, let's stay here, it's home. So I think that are my experiences of my college, and I think some days I would never ever forget, and I miss them incredibly.
Thank you so much. Okay, so before talking something or before sharing anything, we have a small cultural program for you. So,
Taranya, before that, can I add something?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, that Brijmohan is so calm and composed. And I think that's what we all sometimes, learn from him. But on the contrary, I always tell my girls to be competitive, and I have seen them fighting for internals as well. So they are, I think that they should remember college time as something where it all begins. They start, smelling and tasting what is life, and I think that's the best part you remember of your life. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yes.
नहीं पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। हाँ, नहीं पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल। समझ कर शान जिसको आसमानी दे मेरा रखा है, समझ कर चांद जिसको आसमानी दे मेरा रखा है, मेरे महबूब की टूटी हुई चूड़ी का टुकड़ा है, मेरे महबूब की टूटी हुई चूड़ी का टुकड़ा है। वादा रहा सनम, होंगे जुदा न, चाहे न चाहे समाना।
I hope you all like this.
We have a request for somebody from the current batch. I think it's Vedika. She's requested कि we want to hear a few words from our ex-president too. So Anushka Di, before we move on to any other game or event. So Anushka Di, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Hi.
So we would like to hear it from you as well. Your
This
college
college
memories.
reminds me
What
of
do you
our
miss the most?
farewell. What do I miss the most? I miss college in general. Like I was just thinking about this the other day, and the whole experience, the 3 years, they flew by. And now that it's over, I'm realizing that oh my God, it's actually over. And I would do anything to go back just like for some time to spend some time there. And another thing that really struck out to me was what Vidushi said. And, we missed our farewell, but at least we got to be there for our entire third year. But I feel bad for you guys. I mean, this sucks to attend
I think
the entire third
last
year
day
from
when I
home.
was talking to you, this is one thing which we were talking about.
Yeah.
This is the time we really wanted to be in college, but we couldn't.
Yeah. But at least, it ended with Cynosure. So that was a good
Yeah,
ending. Yeah.
that was a good end to this.
Despite how tiring and exhausting it was, I think that was an absolutely amazing event. It was fun and it was the perfect end to the year for me at least.
For sure. Yes, for us as well. But we would really, we would want to go back to college if given a chance, right?
Definitely. Me
For
too.
sure.
Yeah.
We'll see you in college for sure then.
Hopefully. Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay. So since we are all accustomed to the virtual world right now, and as Urna ma'am has mentioned, in 10 years down the line, a lot of things have changed in teaching, among the all the batches and everything. So there has been a lot of changes in the virtual world as well. Do people agree to me in this? There has been a lot of changes in the virtual world as well.
Yeah.
People agree, है ना? So okay, how many of you are accustomed, or you people know all the advertisements which used to play in the TV or anything? Do people remember any of those taglines? Do you?
Maybe.
Nanika is smiling. She's like, yes, I do remember. I used to act some of them in college. So okay, so we have a game regarding that. So whoever knows it, just unmute yourself and say. Okay, are you guys ready for
Yep.
this? So if somebody answers wrong, then we move on to the next person. Like the other person's answer counts. Otherwise, if somebody has given already the right answer, so we are keeping a tap of it for the incentive. So we have something. I know incentives are required, all the prizes. So Vidushi, Jyoti is smiling. Jyoti is like, yes, it is required.
I'm just very curious to know what is this incentive is, because you've been mentioning this.
But it is going to be virtual, since we are having a virtual.
Obviously, I'm just trying to think about it. Like,
okay, so we'll keep you in surprise, so that in suspense. It will be a surprise for you people. So Vidushi, okay, let's start.
Okay, so yeah, Priyal will be hosting this game. Over to you, Priyal.
Yeah.
So let's start easy. I think all of you would know this one. Utterly butterly delicious.
Amul butter.
Amul butter.
The next one.
I am keeping the note who is speaking the fastest. This one is Garima Didi.
The next one is Asli Masale Sach Sach.
MDH.
It's Garimadi as well.
Let's move on to a little more difficult ones, okay? जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी.
LIC. I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
you all are so good at this.
Not TV देखते हो
मैं
यार.
to keep a tab with Ushi. So the next one is खाने से पहले कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
Cadbury.
No, it's not Cadbury.
It's
Is it Cadbury?
It is
Dairy.
Cadbury.
Okay.
The next one is पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें.
Dirty detergent.
Dirty detergent.
Oh God, मुझे नहीं.
Jyoti Di, we are waiting to give you.
My husband saying पीछे से घड़ी है ये तो.
The next one is डर के आगे जीत है.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Taste the thunder.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Garimadi.
इसको लगा डाला तो लाइव झिंगा ला लो.
Tata Sky.
Tata Sky. कल क्या जीता वो thumbs up और Mountain Dew ना? हाँ, it's Mountain Dew.
दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे.
दिमाग की बत्ती जला.
Mentos.
Yes.
Jyoti, you cannot be cheating. You cannot be asking him.
He's there in the room. He's just listening.
It's finger licking good.
McDonald's.
KFC.
Yes, it's KFC, right.
Don't prompt. There.
Ritika Di is right.
I'm loving it.
McDonald's.
Let's take a break.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
That was me.
Yeah, that was you. Innovation and you.
Innovation in you.
Philips.
Oh wow.
Yes. The last one. This could be hard. A better life, a better world.
A better life and a better world. Do you know anything?
Hint, please.
Which one? What is it? I don't think anybody's
A
answer.
better life, a better world.
Better life and a better world.
Is it some insurance company?
Is it like
Panasonic.
Okay.
That was a very difficult one.
Yeah, I've never heard this tagline.
Okay, so we are done with this, Priya.
Yes, we're done.
Before moving on to another thing, Jyoti Di, how was your experience of this game?
Very
Because
good.
we could see you, trying to answer, but you couldn't.
This show that I'm not. My kid takes over my TV. Look, the cartoons are being played. So this shows that I'm not too.
I think most of the answers were given by Garimadi. Am I right?
What?
Most of the
answers were given by Garimadi, no?
Garima, yes.
Garimadi,
Even Ashjoti gave lot of answers.
Garimadi, so it's a tie between both of them. Vidushi, it's a tie between both of them.
Yeah, please say it's okay.
Incentives to both of them. Virtual incentives.
Okay, virtual incentives to both of them. Okay, great. So, we have another cultural performance for you people. In all the events, one thing is compulsory, it's mandatory, it's like singing and dancing. So, we have completed the singing part. Since it's like not offline, so we have recorded it, pre-recorded it, and here it goes. Vidushi.
पार्टी शुरू हुई है Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. Girls in here, take it to the nice side. Come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm saying. No. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, fa la la la. Drink, fa la la la. Fa la la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, fa la la la. Drink, fa la la la. Somebody break your heart. I'm looking at the ninja, but just not saying love. Kiss me down, or you don't get your back. This is my life, this is my life. This is my life. This is my life. You can't really say it. It's not the best. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
I hope you guys have enjoyed it.
Awesome.
So did you people actually enjoy it?
Yeah, it was super fun. Like,
You know, we juniors, we really want to know how it's the alumni meet going for you people. Is it going well or it's not going well? We have seen one thumbs up from
It's
Anshika.
going really well. In fact, it's really nice to be catching up with so many people to see and to be seeing this whole generation of people after us. And talking in sociological terms, there is almost a fictive kinship bond that I feel with everyone right now. So really having fun, really having fun. And thank you so much for all these nice performances. And if possible, please share the links if you can.
Okay,
So
we will for that.
we can see these. I would like to see this dance performance again, and the singing performance.
I love the singing. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Super. We'll pass on the
I
next
was
time.
assuming that you guys also must be dancing on your screen.
Okay, so we'll end, so we'll keep this thing like what Ritika Di has said active for the end. We have something before we conclude the meeting. So, Garima Di and Arjot Di, there was a tie between both of you for the incentive. How many of them really likes the Bollywood movie?
Yeah, let's see that how much you have, catch up on these movies. So
We would
ideally,
we would really request our teachers also to participate in
yeah,
it because it's a fun game.
and it's I think new and old movies, all the movies are there. So yeah, I'll say the dialogue and you have to guess the movie. Okay, so yeah.
We have to say the movie out loud, or we have to write it in the chat.
Say it out loud. I guess.
Say it. Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
First, मैं पैदा ही सबसे हॉट हुई थी.
जब we met.
बद्रीनाथ दुल्हनिया.
बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया.
It's Humpty Sharma की दुल्हनिया.
Yeah,
Humpty Sharma की
Arshot
दुल्हनिया.
is right. It's Humpty Sharma की दुल्हनिया. Okay, this one is very easy. Okay, going with the easies. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती हैं.
दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Okay. And this one is also very easy. कौन कमबख्त बर्दाश्त करने के लिए पीता है?
देवदास.
Now I'm going with Devika. 206 टाइप की सिर्फ हड्डी है. तोड़ने में टाइम अपन लोग सोचते थे क्या?
मुन्ना भाई.
Tanya the answer first. And
What are we waiting for? Christmas?
K3G.
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Yes. Again the easy one. Mugambo खुश हुआ.
Mr. India. Mr. India.
Yeah, Mr. India. Okay. तेजा मैं हूँ.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
Yes, I'm glad. Vaishnavi did know all the movies. Okay. तुम नहीं समझो कि अंजलि dash. Yeah, it will be the movie. Correct.
Everybody knows the whole dialogue, like the one dash dash dash.
It is the movie name. कुछ होता है.
I know the name. I'm saying anybody remembers the dialogue.
The dialogue is तुम नहीं समझोगी अंजलि कुछ होता है. So that's why I didn't say the dialogue. Yeah. Okay. Next. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से लगता है.
ओम शांति.
All the Salman Khan भाई fans.
Bang. Yeah.
Next. दोस्ती का एक ही असूल है मैडम. No sorry, no thank you.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Yeah. Okay, and this one is like easy and I think सबका favorite. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
जब
we met. I think Vaishnavi the answered first and she is in the lead also. Next. You don't want to tell people you are with me. I don't think so. ये ज़्यादा किसी को पता होगा.
Student of the year.
No. Should I give you hints?
Yes.
No. Okay. Should I give you hints? You don't want to tell people you are with me.
Can I answer? I don't know I have no.
Yeah. Saranya don't know. Saranya, you can answer. Come on.
Is it Pyar Ka Panchnama?
Yeah. This is Pyar Ka Panchnama 2. Okay. Next. बोलने दे. तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे को.
Vidushi, Saranya has made the question. She will obviously know the answer. Na?
No, ma'am. This one we haven't even discussed in our meeting.
Acha, continue.
Yeah. Okay. बोलने दे. तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे को.
Welcome.
Yeah. Welcome. मेरी कुंडली में खून लिखा है. Yes, ma'am.
नहीं say then we say.
Yeah. मेरी कुंडली में खून लिखा है. Come on, this is the most epic movie, the most comedy movie in India, which is like plot. Should I give more hints? Should I tell you the star cast?
Yes.
Hera Fairy.
Yeah, Hera Fairy is it.
This is me.
मैम को सरन्या अलग से incentive
for teachers.
Okay, I think let's see कितने लोग बहुत romantic movie देखे तो this one is romantic. कुछ नहीं बस यूं ही.
आशिकी 2.
Yeah. Right. Okay. उठा ले रे रब्बा उठा ले मेरे को उठा ले. Come on, yeah.
What is the movie?
Now the few last are left. मेरा इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है. Come on, all know this.
Queen.
Okay. Now the last one. पता नहीं ऐसे situations में automatically आ गए कैसे आ जाता. Yeah, I think Vaishnavi has clearly aced this game. Okay, that's for the game. Thank you everybody. I hope you enjoyed it.
So who won this game? Vaishnavi Di?
Vaishnavi Didi. And Ritu ma'am.
Yeah, for sure.
I think Vaishnavi won hands down.
Yeah. You know why Vidushi were telling the dialogues and everything? There was this one dialogue from Welcome, I guess. Can you repeat the dialogue?
Yeah. एक second. Is it that one?
I don't remember the dialogue. But
बोलने दे तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे को.
Nanika Di was laughing the most. Nanika Di, can you please tell us why?
हमको जानना है क्या तकलीफ हुआ है.
No, I can actually like visualize it inside my head. So every scene of welcome, whenever you read the dialogue कि ये रात उसके साथ चला गया, then बोलने दे उसको तकलीफ हुआ है.
Same,
Then
Narikati.
every dialogue is like right inside your head from it.
But I clearly remember Nanikadi enacting, K3G, the poo scenes from K3G in college.
I
Anybody
do
of
it
you?
here also. I do
But
it
we
here.
don't get to see a visual of it, na? So we remember that. We clearly remember that.
Yes.
Okay, so before we end, before I give my vote of thanks and everything, we really would want our seniors to, express their experiences from today and our teachers as well. So over to you, seniors and our teachers.
I guess it's been really nice for us to see, or I'm glad we're getting to attend this together because हम लोग college में भी ऐसे थे, so it's just really nice to see all of the professors, especially. So thank you for organizing it, and hopefully we can come back to India soon and meet all of you in person.
So where are you people now?
We're in Israel right now.
Okay, okay.
मिन्नता करा मैं तो तेरी आवे करे या ना कर हेरा फेरी आवे तेरे ही यकीन पे मैं तो गई दिल ना चुराया कर छोटी छोटी गलदा बुरा ना जे मैं मनावा मन भी जाया कर छोटी छोटी गलदा बुरा ना यूं मनाया कर जे मैं मनावा मन भी जाया कर. That's all. Thank you. Hey.
So, thank you so much, everybody, for joining in today. We really had a great time, and I hope, and we all hope that you people had an amazing time. So, before ending this meeting, we would really request all of you to switch on your camera so that we can take a beautiful picture, a screenshot. So, we would request all of you to switch on your cameras, please. So please take a screenshot. Yes, we are done, I think. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, ma'am.
It was also very nostalgic for all us.
Most of you may not know me because I joined the department very, very late. But there are few students whom I taught, like Ritika is there, Muskan is there. So I can't, but I couldn't interact much because I know there are very few people I can talk to. But my best wishes for everyone. And I hope that you really do well in your life. And whenever you feel like visiting college, when like this lockdown and Corona period is over, do come back to us. You can also freely interact with me. Like I would be like happily helping you all in whatever manner I can do. And please, what Archana ma'am said, that try to build a community. Like she has been insisting on this because every department in the college is trying to build its own community. So we don't want to lag behind.
Being from sociology department, what we are lagging
Haan.
behind is that this this very
yes, it's very important. Like if you really want us to feel proud and kind of, so please build that
We
momentum.
need to be
have
more
that,
social. I think
yes.
sociology all.
Yes, right. I agree with you too, ma'am.
Actually, sociologists they study so much about social that they
कि
have
हम
become
asocial हो जाते हैं. Like it
asocial.
makes us asocial. It makes us asocial. Asocial हो जाते हैं. हाँ. But I think we all need to work on these practical things. So please stay connected and build a community. We all are there. So please have some recognition in college also because it's good for college also. It's good for you also. So please please participate. That's all I had to say.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. Firstly, we would like to thank Archana ma'am Thank you so much, ma'am, and Sharmishta, ma'am, to all the teachers present and to all the seniors who have taken out time and attended this meeting. Thank you so much, guys. And last but by no means least, thank you all to all the association team members who have been working relentlessly hard for this event. So thank you so much and stay safe and take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all, and
Thanks for coming and joining the meeting.
I remember that line. All of you, I remember that line from the movie. Now you all can guess to see Na Jao. That's the feeling.
Ritu is obsessed with that line.
Yeah, actually. I think it is. I don't know. As far as I remember, it's I don't know. I don't know. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi the little Sardar boy says it.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi
एक बस कुछ कुछ होता है तो सुना जाओ इसमें कुछ कुछ होता है
Thank you, everyone.
And thank you and take care and bye.
And next time, those who didn't participate, this time, next time, that is their chance. Us, Muskan, and there are many more.
ये मत बोलो फिर तुम्हें और मुझे गाना गाना पड़ेगा.
आप prepare कर लेंगे यार.
मैं नहीं गाऊंगी. You can do anything other than sing and dance.
Yeah. So just a suggestion before we go. Can we all try and open the group for today so that we all can post how we felt, so the others who are not there, they might feel encouraged to join the next one.
Right.
Sure, I'll do that.
Very nice idea.
Thank you for that.
This is how
Very good.
Strengthen.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much for organizing this. Thank you. Take care.
Okay, take care. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for this.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you for the meet.
Bye. Thank you so much. It was really nice joining in and seeing everyone. Take care. Bye. Thank you so much.